Fortissimo. Gates open, they're up and racing. Bombs, Shimmer Joe moving up, Jet Prop. Then comes Cannon Wheel moving up in between runners is Leica in Manila, Touch of Class. Miss Bobon followed now by Fortissimo, and trailing the group is Marcus Empire past the last 600. Shimmer Joe now takes the lead, followed by Jet Prop in second. Touch of Class moving up to take third. Leica in Manila racing in fourth by the rail. Cannon Wheel running alongside Miss Bobon as they turn to the final 400-meter stretch run of Santa Ana Park. Shimmer Joe leading the field, sneaking in down on the inside is entry number 1, Fortissimo. Cannon Wheel in between runners and Dottie outside Jet Prop. But with the last 75 meters, Shimmer Joe too good in front by about 3, and finally Shimmer Joe. Jet Prop, then comes number 1, Fortissimo, Cannon Wheel, Leica in Manila, Miss Bobon, Touch of Class, Marcus Empire, and Bombs.